Hey Fazana, how you doing? I'm just going to give you a quick video to show you the new updates that we made to the Excel sheet and what we'll be doing. So I just shot you a text, so we will not be copying and pasting and putting into a new Excel sheet. We'll actually just be using the same Excel sheet we have, a few new sections in, and we're going to put this new information in. So I'm going to show you what the new Excel sheet looks like. You can see now we have our own section for owner's first name, owner's last name, owner's street address, the owner's state, and the owner's zip code. So I did these two examples for you because this is what it used to look like, correct? We used to have everything into this. Well, we're not going to do that anymore. We're only going to put the first name into the first name section, last name into the last name sections. Now these three right here are owner's street address, owner's state, and owner's zip code. As you can see, it's very different on this one from the street address that we're actually looking up. So I'm going to show you what to look for in Realist for the owner's tax billing address. Okay, so let's go to Realist, and we're going to do Delaware Trail. And we click on to Delaware Trail. Now we're looking him up. So what we're going to be looking for now on these new sections, just remember, the owner's first name, last name, we're going to separate that now. But these three right here, owner's street address, owner's state, and owner's zip code, we're going to find that under tax billing address. We're going to put that address in, right? 201 Twin Creek Drive. Then we're going to put the state. As we can see, it's Texas. We're going to put the state in right here. And we're going to put the zip code in. We're going to find that tax billing zip code right here. And we're going to put that in. Okay. So also some of the new updates you can see right here. I see we have landline on this one right here. Well, instead of us having to put landline, from now on, let's just put L. Okay. So we can see that. So that lets me know that that's a landline right there, right? Also, if we cannot find the owner's number, use a relative and insert those numbers. Okay. So we have this one right here. Not finding with these names for Sandy Curb and Douglas Curb. Well, if we go to white pages and we find a relative, let's put those numbers into here. And what we're going to do different is if we do find relatives with number, we're going to put an R to let us know that's a relative, right? So I'll even make a section right here. Okay, so we're going to put that R for the relatives numbers. And in this section right here, you'll put an R.
Yeah, this isn't really a cute girls. Inch, like, this is a good inch, yeah.
Okay. And then whatever that number is. Alright? So we'll go here, we'll put R, and then whatever that number is. I don't know, so I'm just putting numbers in right now.
Yeah.
That's what we'll be doing, okay? So if you have any questions, just use the WhatsApp so we can talk about it, but this is the new Excel sheet we'll be doing, okay? So I hope that gives you an idea, a better understanding of the new Excel sheet. And just give me a call if you have any questions. But just remember the new additions that we have: street address, state, and zip code. And You'll be going back into Realist, and we'll be putting just the street address. We don't care about the city. The street address, the state, and the zip code. All right? So I hope this helps. Talk to you soon.